girls, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you're doing well. So you might think, Shan, your photo does not show a lot of ingredients. You will see in a pan over in a moment, my lovelies, I've actually got some ingredients cooking. So this, according to BBC Good Food, is the ultimate leftover turkey sandwich. But I'm going to put a little spin on it, you know me. I cooked the turkey last night, and I must say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a bit slices. It is still delicious, moist, tasty as ever. Now, I'm quite fussy when it comes to sandwiches, we all know that. But according to the photo, it looks like a 3-layer sandwich. So it looks like you have your turkey with some of your green stuff, as Mum calls it, and then some stuffing and pigs in blankets. You can have whichever sauce you want in it. But I've also seen kind of an adaptation on TikTok where you toast the bread but put on the outside butter and mustard, and then you put it in a frying pan and flip it. So I don't quite know how I'm going to go with this, because now I feel like I want to do everything. So I've got the stuffing cooking away. The pigs in blankets will go in that, and then I will wait for it to cool down. And then, oh, it also comes, you can either put gravy in it or a pot of gravy to dip your sandwich in. You ain't got to tell me twice if there's gravy. I want gravy everywhere. So the way that I'm thinking, I feel Mum might go cranberry sauce. I feel Mum's going to go traditional with hers. Me, however, no, I think I'm going to stick mustard. So the idea of this is with the hot and the cold. So normally it would be everything cold, but as I say, I'm cooking my stuffing and I'll be cooking my pigs in blankets. The pigs in blankets probably will be cooled down a lot more before the stuffing, and then obviously the turkey is left over. And as I say, it does look pretty delicious indeed. I keep looking thinking, Shan, you really should try a bit of that, but no, I'm going to be good. So you're going to see a pan over of the ingredients in a minute, my lovelies. As I say, some are cooking in the oven, and then once everything is done and dusted, we're going to try and construct the ultimate turkey leftover roast sandwich, and let's see how it turns out. Do I put the gravy in, or do I put the gravy on the side? Oh, all these decisions. I mean, we all know I love a cup of gravy. And do I toast the bread, or do I just do it how the recipe says on the hob? Oh, I don't know. Do I add cheese into it? Oh no, this is a concoction. This is where I just deviate from the plan entirely, ain't it? All I do know is once I actually do start constructing it, the dressing gown will come off and my Christmas head chef apron will go on. So guys, shall we get into hopefully a successful turkey making sandwich exercise? Oh yeah.
Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high.
So, stuffing is out, pigs in blankets are out, and Mama is here because I don't know how Mum's going to want hers. I just said to her about how they said to do it on the hob, and Mum's like, no. So we're going to do toast in the toaster, but I'm going to spread mine on the outside with a little bit of butter and whole grain mustard.
Oh, no mustard for me, thank you.
You just want butter on the inside of yours then, maybe. So how this is going to go,
Oh, right.
it's 3 layers for the ultimate sandwich.
Oh, right, okay then.
So you having green stuff and cranberry sauce?
No. I might have a tomato in there and cucumber in that. I don't like that gross.
Are you going to have cranberry sauce with your pigs in blankets?
No. Well, I'll try it for you. I'll try it, yeah.
Because we asked to do a bowl of gravy with it, and then
Right.
you dip the gravy, you dip your sandwich into the
No,
gravy.
surely not.
That's the ultimate thing.
Oh.
This is how it should look. I mean, how it will turn out.
What's this, the ultimate sandwich then?
It's BBC Good Food ultimate turkey sandwich, and it's like full of all your leftovers.
Oh, right, yeah. Not to waste any.
So this is how it should look.
Oh, right. Oh, that's not too bad, is it?
So you have
We need
a
a
layer.
saw to get through the top of it then.
I mean, that's how it should look, guys. That's what we're oh god,
Oh,
no.
it doesn't look too bad then.
No thanks, I don't want to order. That's how it's going to focus on.
Oh, we'll give it a go, yeah.
So I'm going to add grass into mine. But what we're going to do is we're going to do
Move your
the
thing up.
toast in the toaster.
Yeah. All right,
And then construct it like that. And it says you can either pour gravy in the sandwich, but I think that will be messy. So I'm going to go for the option of having the bowl and then dipping it in. But I must say, guys, this bread that I got, this is the Warburton Super Thick Baker's White Bloomer. Now, this was £2, okay? But
How much?
£2, but it's really, really nice.
Jesus.
We've got toast 6 slices of bread. Okay, we'll have to do 2 lots. But when you see, like, look at the thick of the slice of it.
Yeah, it is.
That is a nice
And do you manage to get that actually? No.
Yeah, it just fits.
Oh, just fits. Oh, well done, though.
So we've got 6 slices of bread to toast, and then we'll start to construct. I'm not going to lie, guys, the stuffing actually smells really nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
Just like my turkey.
Do you want the thing on, Shannon?
We need the kettle on, yes,
Yeah,
for some
yeah.
gravy.
While building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in a wintry wonder.
Right, so all bread's done, bar the middle bits in. Mum doesn't want mustard. Okay, so what are you having on yours, Mother?
I'm having butter.
You want butter? So if you have yours there.
Have I got this all mine?
Well, because you've got to layer it.
Yeah.
So that's your top, that's your middle bit of layer.
All right then.
So I would say maybe your top layer, put a little bit of cranberry, and then you're going to have your bottom and middle as butter.
All butter.
All butter. You're not going to have sauces of butter. You're going to have sauce drizzled over.
I'll decide.
So I've got my other 2 in here. I don't have the toast like cooked. That is a lot of butter, Mum.
That's all right.
And then that's your middle bit.
Push that over there.
So this is apparently the best leftover sandwich.
Right.
I mean, the only thing that was left over was the turkey because we actually, well, in essence, the rest was left over. We just
But
didn't
Shannon,
cook
on
it.
that night you had 2 big slabs like doorsteps. I had one, but you took a big bit in when you went into the bath that night, didn't you?
Yeah.
Right. And then
So,
I used a bit with the sandwich, and you gave me the rest that was left, didn't you?
So, Mum's gone all butter on hers. I'm going to go all whole grain
I will put a bit
mustard
of that
on mine.
red stuff.
You're going to put a bit of
Yeah.
cranberry. Okay.
Yeah.
And as I say, we've both got our matching mugs for the gravy. Because, as you all know, I am a mustard lover. So, I am dousing mine in whole grain mustard. I probably should have used English mustard, but it's okay. The kettle is boiled for the gravy. I'll probably just pop that back onto boil before we're due to serve.
So do I have to do one of these bits with that red stuff?
So the photo seemed to have it as like the green stuff with the turkey, and then on the middle layer it was like the stuff in them with the pigs in blankets.
Oh, but I'm saying, which bit? I can do any bit with this, can't I?
Yeah, you either have it the top bit, the bottom bit. I'm going to bring you down now so you can see us constructing what we think. We're taking our own adaptations now on the Great British Leftover Sandwich.
And we hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band. Oh, give me an open fire, some eggnog and mistletoe, and a sense of wonder and someone to hold close. Give me some ribbons and a chimney for Santa's sake. No, it's not too late. No, it's not too late. Ooh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold. Oh, how I wish for the Christmases of old, when
is in the test. It actually cut through.
Yeah, it looks lovely.
Okay, I'm going to hold the plate while you take a bite first.
Right, okay. Have I got to have the whole Oh, the whole thing. Oh, right then, hang on. I thought I was just going to lift a bit off. Oh,
I'm sure you can get your mouth around that. Taste it with that, and then we'll taste it with the gravy. Get it in your gob.
Nice.
If you didn't make out that nice.
Nice, yep.
And then,
Right, hang on, get a little tea towel.
you want your tea towel?
Come on.
And then I go on the best side. And then now with that little side that you bit, dip it in the gravy, because apparently the gravy is the best bit.
Right.
That's it. Pick it up.
That little bit there, put in. Right.
Down
Don't
here.
pour.
No, I'm not going to pour. You just don't care. See, it fits perfectly.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at
Oh,
that.
it's going to be too hot for my console. A minute.
This to me is also like perfect hangover food. Like
Yeah.
I think if you was drunk, imagine this with like bacon, beef, sausage.
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
And yet she goes, gravy? Mm.
No, but you do yours thick, don't you?
Yeah, I do mine
Yeah.
so that I can drink it. So as I say,
Right.
mine looks a little bit more than the photo. Mum's has the thing because she has the cranberry sauce. Mine, however, is I have everything else. And as I say, this bread, right, let's get our mouths around it, shall we? Baby Barker. Go for Whittle. Guys, I have a feeling I might have to do this again when Dan's back, because I've took photos, of course, to show him. He would love this. Let's do a bit of dip in the gravy. Oh, it's a money shot there, guys. You okay there, mother? Went down the wrong hole. Oh gosh. BBC Good Food, you're onto a winner there. I just got to be careful, it'll probably all be in my gums now. And the best part, you get a mug of gravy with it. See, this is something I would like to see in a cat
Yeah, yeah.
at Christmas time.
Well, when we win big, you can have your cat in your little cake shop.
That is good.
Yeah.
The gravy,
you know
think,
what I
is the
thought
test of
maybe if we didn't have so much height on it.
Yeah, but I think looking at the picture, it said a bloomer.
Right, but
I don't think you would have done it with like a...
No, but I'm saying just 2 bits, an egg in the middle.
Okay.
So when you cut through, all the egg oozes.
I tell you what,
That's
BBC
very nice,
Good
isn't it?
Food.
Yeah,
That is, and I tell you what, imagine like a portion of chunky cut chips on the side of that.
yeah. Triple cooked, isn't it?
So now, like, if you go to somewhere for a sandwich, I'm gonna be like, no, I need a doorstop. I need a bigger sandwich here, guys. BBC Good Food. I don't think you've done bad. And as I say, a jug of
Did they
gravy.
suggest that?
Well, they didn't suggest it personally, but
No.
I went on BBC Good Food and typed over leftover turkey recipes.
Yeah.
You had the standard like curry, pie. I saw this and I thought, okay,
Because
this is something different.
is this all the other bit of turkey that we had in the freezer?
We still have one more piece of turkey. in the freezer.
Okay.
But as I say, that's the Christmas Day bit gone, and this bit.
Mind you, it was lovely turkey. We need to put shout out for legs.
No, I'm gonna have to edit
Oh,
that
right,
out.
sorry. Oh.
So I don't think this has been a bad shout. So if you do have turkey left over and a bit of stuffing and pigs in blankets, whatever you have, whatever sauce you want. Mum's got cranberry, I've got mustard.
Yeah.
You could do this with apple sauce, horseradish, like any condiment that you like. The only difference is they say to butter the side and do it in the pan, kind of like eggy bread in a way.
Oh, right. But that may be if you've got thinner sliced bread, Shannon.
Maybe, I'm not entirely sure.
Or I would like you won't like it, but tartar. But
Not on that.
But that wouldn't go with the gravy, would it?
No. But I don't think
no.
it's been
10 out of 10.
too bad. I was going to say, I'll give that a strong 10 out of 10. Guys, if you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe down below. And leave us a comment. Whose version do you think is better? Would you have gone for Mum's with the cranberry sauce or mine with the mustard? And as I say, I will leave the recipe link down below. But again,
It's just I don't like the grass viewers.
vice versa, you can do and put in basically whatever you want. You customise it to your own sandwich. But yes, take care, stay safe as always, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.